Hello, everybody. Welcome to this market report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today, we're Friday, September 25th, 2015. Markets are rallying today following Janet Yellen's comments out on the University of Massachusetts yesterday. Basically, what she said is that most members of the Fed expect a rate hike by the end of this year. She doesn't think that the slowdown among emerging markets will have a big impact in the U.S. economy. And the key aspect of that speech is that she believes that the inflationary pressures will continue to build on in the coming years, which is actually important because if she believes inflation will spike up, well, then she has to raise interest rate to try to counter inflation, to not let it spiral out of control. So basically, what I want to show you here, I want to show you the situation that, ideally speaking, we're not in a situation where for swing trading it's a big go, because we still have all indices that remain stuck within a neutral range here on the NASDAQ, on the Dow Jones, on the SPY. But I want to show you a clear movement that we have in the consumer staples sector, where this is the only sector that is starting a bullish cycle. Several stocks are breaking out, but you have to take into account that, first of all, in the consumer staples sector, there's a top that's at 523, and it's a sector that's a slow mover. It's not going to move by 5, 10, 15% in 2 days, so you have to be a little bit more patient. But today it's a great timing to get into some stocks. You have General Mills that is today breaking out, entry point there, exit point below that support at 56. You notice the top that's at 59, so you might have to tolerate a correction at $59 on a stock like General Mills. But as long as this stock will maintain its upward trend, well, the trend is your friend. So as long as it stays above $56, it's a hold. Coca-Cola, also another breakout in that stock, clearly breaking a resistance. Coca-Cola could reach 41.39. That's a credible target on a stock like that. Also Campbell Soup, pretty nice breakout. I really have nothing to say on a stock like that. And Estee Lauder is also one of the breakout, but I don't like the fact that the stock has been going so down, and there's all those moving average that are there. So for me, I would favor a stock like Campbell Soup or Coca-Cola that at least have more momentum on the upside compared to a stock like Estee Lauder that is breaking out. So if you want access to the full list, folks, it's all on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. But today it's the consumer staple sector in the US that is standing out, with markets that are rallying following Janet Yellen comments. I also want to make an announcement, folks. It is my last market report at Decision Plus. It was a great pleasure sharing with you some financial information. Now it's time for me to move on to something else. It was a pleasure, all this experience, all this adventure at Decision Plus, but I'm sure that the team here will be able to take the lead and continue to give you great information. Follow us on our shows. There's a link to our shows where you can follow us on Decision Plus. We always post it on our YouTube page as well. So we might well continue the English show as well, but the YouTube Chronicle, this is my last YouTube Chronicle for MarketGurus.tv. So I wish you all good trading. Never forget, folks, that our premise is the more money you make, the happier we are. It's still the same strategy. And today is the consumer staples sector that is standing out with some few breakouts. I wish you all a good trading, and see you on decisionplus.com to follow our shows.